Hi all, my name is Gautam Bigde and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel Chatterbot. Today I'll be covering a topic that is very close to my heart. I am an Oracle practitioner with an experience of working in an Oracle suite of products, ERP, MDM, uh, billing and revenue management for the last 18 plus years across various domains. So I'm naturally excited to present a video which helps me talk about two of my favorite topics, artificial intelligence and Oracle. So without wasting much time, let's look at the agenda for today's video. So today we'll be talking a little bit about Oracle's AI strategy. Then we'll discuss what exactly is Oracle AI Solutions Hub, which is the topic of today's video. After that, we'll explore the purpose of this particular Solutions Hub, and then we will cover a couple of featured AI solutions which I found significant and which all of you may appreciate. So let's first talk about the Oracle AI strategy. So the Oracle AI strategy is one which is seeing a very heavy investment in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Recently, Oracle has opened up a strategic partnership with AWS, wherein the Oracle Autonomous Database will now be available within the AWS ecosystem. Additionally, it has now announced a 6.5 billion investment in AI and cloud computing in Malaysia. Of course, we all know about Oracle's partnerships with Cohere, the LLM, which is at the heart of a lot of Oracle's generative AI solutions, Meta, and NVIDIA as well. Also, one thing which came out of Oracle's keynote speeches in the Oracle Open World is that Oracle wants to embed AI in everything it does. So basically, what that means is that Oracle does not want to offer AI as a bolt-on service. It wants to offer AI in everything that it today covers, like core infrastructure, database, and of course its solutions. So now that we have looked at the Oracle AI strategy, let's jump to Oracle AI Solutions Hub. So simply put, the Oracle AI Solutions Hub is a repository of all solutions and artifacts which are applicable for AI user stories within the Oracle ecosystem. So what Oracle has done by introducing the Oracle AI Solutions Hub is that it has identified use cases which can be solved by AI technologies, and for all of those all such user stories or use cases, it has im- it has provided easy to deploy solutions or artifact for the Oracle customers to implement. And at this point of time, there are 60 plus such solutions which are available, or artifacts which are available on the hub. And one thing to note is that they vary in complexity. So some of these solutions are very easy, but some of them are really sophisticated, and we will see that in detail. And all of these, I mean, when you look at these solutions, then they cater to various industries like healthcare, financial services, retail, hospitality, etc. And some of the solutions are of course always also generic, which means that you can actually use it across various industries. Uh, so now let's look at how this solutions hub looks like. Uh, Yeah. So to access the Oracle AI Solutions Hub, you need to type oracle.com/artificial intelligence solutions. I will share the exact URL in the description box. And then if you scroll down, you see that there are about 60 solutions which have been introduced by Oracle, and you can filter for these or search for filter these solutions based on focus areas. So focus areas currently is just artificial intelligence. I expect some machine learning solutions also to be added. Then when you go to product, you see all the products, and these products refer to Oracle products. So you can actually, if you just wanted to look for the Oracle AI solution in the compute world, you could do that as well. Then you also have asset types, which is at this point of time just solution, because these are complete solutions which you can use uh, for implementation. So if you click on any of this solution, right, you will see that Oracle introduces the solution, provides a demo, a video demo to explain what the solution is about. It mentions the prerequisites and setups, and also all the steps that you probably need to implement this solution. So this then becomes very easy for a system integrator or technology teams to actually go in and implement a AI solution specific to their use cases. So now let's look at the intent behind introducing the Oracle AI Solutions Hub. So firstly, as we all know, we've talked about that Oracle is making heavy investments in the field of artificial intelligence. So this hub is a way for Oracle to demonstrate its AI capabilities across all its offerings, which is database, core infrastructure, and application. Secondly, it allows existing customers to leverage the power of AI within their current Oracle landscape. And thirdly, which I think is most important, is that it this hub is an attempt by Oracle to reduce the hype behind generative AI and actually help customers bridge the gap between ideation and production grade AI solutions. So once customers are able to quickly implement an AI solution, they will find a merit in they'll find great merit in what AI can do for improving their business processes. And then thirdly is draw for customers to draw inspiration from the listed set of solution. So as we speak, there are as we have spoken that there are about 60 odd solutions which are available. So not all customers may know exactly what AI can do for their business, but going through these solutions, they can draw inspiration and probably try to come up with try to probably try to use a solution as is or make some changes so that it aligns with their business processes and solves the specific business problem that they have. So this, in short, is the purpose of the Oracle AI Solutions Hub. So now let's look at a couple of solutions from the Oracle AI Solutions Hub. The first solution that I'll be covering is generate SQL queries from natural language using Oracle Autonomous Database Select AI. So before actually going into the details of this solution, let's talk about why this is a significant solution. So this solution in my mind solves a very common business problem. So this is the problem of having the required information for the business user at the required point of time. So most likely, business users rely on reports for data from the information or basic UIs. But what happens is that once in a while there is a need for information which is not available either through reports or through user interfaces. In that case, there's usually a lengthy process where business users have to raise service requests with IT teams for the information that need. Often, this information, by the time it is received, is stale or outdated, and this leads to a large amount of frustration in the user community. So, to solve this problem, Oracle has um, Oracle has created a solution where users of the application can actually pose their questions in natural language, so in a normal read write kind of a language, and then once this question or this in or the question this question is then sent to the LLM. The LLM converts this question into a query. So, for example, my question could be, I want to know the sales of product X in region Y for the last month. So the user can write this particular question in normal English, and then when they submit this question, this is then fired to the LLM, which in this case is Cohere. Cohere will convert this question or user query into a SQL query, and then this SQL query is sent to the Oracle Autonomous Database. The Oracle Autonomous Database will run this query, retrieve the results, and send it back to Cohere. Cohere will then send it back to the user interface in a format which is easily understood by the user. So this basically solves a question. This solves a real world business problem in a very effective way. And now let's look at this solution and what Oracle has provided. So as mentioned by me earlier, Oracle provides an introduction, a video demo in which it explains how this solution works, what are the components of this solution. Then it talks about prerequisite setups, and then finally it talks about detailed steps and sample code on GitHub using which the solution can be implemented. The next solution that I'll be covering is how to build an AI chatbot engine with Oracle 23 AI and OCI generative AI service. So we are all aware of chatbots and how effective they are, and how they can be used for resolving customer queries, task management, and information retrieval. But we also know that chatbots suffer from a very big drawback, and that is that they sometimes churn up stale information. And this is the case even when you use a LLM behind a chatbot, because LLMs themselves are trained on historical information and tend to be out of date. Uh, so to solve this problem, Oracle proposes RAG, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation Solution. So as you can see, and this is a pictorial representation of the solution. As you see, that there are two main parts of this solution: the Oracle 23 AI database and the Oracle Gen AI service. So the Oracle 23 AI is a vector database, which means that it allows you to store your documents, that is your everything in your corporate repository, if you choose, as vectors in its database. And then once that part is done, the solution then whenever then a user poses a question. So a question could be, what are your store hours on 26th Feb 2025? So that question is then converted into a vector as well, and it is sent to the 23 AI database, where there is a similarity search, and it's a vector similarity search because both the questions and the documents in the database are converted into vectors. And based on a similarity search, the Oracle 23 AI database gives the most appropriate response. But if you see that the response doesn't directly flow back to the user, it then is sent to the Oracle Gen AI service powered by Cohere, where it uses this the information from the 23 Oracle 23 database, and then adds more context to it, being an LLM, and then it sends the response back to the user in a format that it can easily understand. So the format which comes back to the user, is not in a vector format, of course, because that conversion of the vector back to a user readable format along with context is done by the Gen AI service. And then also one interesting thing is that whenever you use this solution, the system is able to, or the chatbot is able to provide the specific source of data which is cited in its answers. So that is something that chatbots cannot do. So when you are getting a response, you probably may get a URL as well, and the user can click on that URL, and yes, they can verify that this information is indeed correct. And one very noteworthy aspect of this solution is that RAG is a relatively new concept, and it first came to attention only in 2020, when a paper was published by a team of Facebook AI researchers, and I will share that link of the paper in the description. So it's laudable that Oracle has been able to introduce this new technology into its entire solution stack and offer it to customers in a really short period of time. And then again, as we have seen for again as we have seen for the previous solution, let's look at the steps that Oracle provides. So again, Oracle is providing an introduction, a video demo of the solution, all the prerequisites, and basically it's also providing a hands-on workshop with step-by-step instructions on how you can implement this solution. So this again is a very significant solution, and I'm excited to actually share the step-by-step solution for step-by-step solution in a different video, in a separate video. So these are just two of the solutions that uh, I have covered, and I do encourage you to look at the other solutions as well. You will find value in all of them, I'm sure. And and that's all for today's video. I do expect Oracle to keep making significant updates to this hub, and in subsequent videos we will try to do a deep dive into these solutions. And until that time, cheers and have a good day. Thank you.